everyone, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Today I'm going to be trying out some of the new headbands in Primark's summer collection, so if you want to see how these look, keep on watching. So the first style I'm going to start with are these, would you call them Alice bands? I'm not really sure, just headbands I'd call them anyway. These round headbands. They've got lots of nice colours, bold styles, patterns. So these are the ones that I like the most. It's quite a nice variety. So I'm going to start them and see how they look. First is this one, is navy blue actually, it's not black. I just literally slip it right at the front. Make sure like the band part here is covered. Bring my hair a bit forward and style it like that. This one is quite close obviously to my hair colour, so this one I wouldn't wear as much as I do the other ones. But I do quite like the polka dot pattern on it. This was the first one that I got to see if they actually suited me in the first place. And yellow colour, I love how it looks against my skin tone. Because I have quite a yellow undertone, it just really complements my skin tone well. So I do really like the yellow one. Here's a bit of a close-up just to see the crinkle detail and the knot detail. Yeah. This one's probably one of my favourite ones and the one I use the most. Next is plain yellow. It is a slightly different material. This is more of a cottony one, whereas that one was more like a silky kind of fabric. If you can see the texture in here as well. And this one doesn't have the parts on the end, which I quite like. They are quite wide fitting, which I like. So when my hair was unrelaxed and really puffy, they did really stretch really nicely, so you can fit it around your head when you do have a big old head like I do. This is one of my favourite ones as well, probably one of the other ones I've worn the most. This like checkered grey pattern just looks so nice against any like plain colour. So I wore it with my pink or yellow or anything like different coloured outfits. It's one of my favourite ones, definitely. This one I actually haven't tried yet, but I just got because I think it was a nice pattern like the other one, and this is more of a tough, thick cotton as well. This is the end parts I was talking about where it's like wrapped around the end, so it doesn't look as nice when this part is showing. But yeah, this one is a bit thinner as well compared to the other ones. It's still cute though, I could even wear it with this outfit. Headbands have very quickly become my favourite accessory this summer. Here is another polka dot one, like the navy blue and the yellow. I do believe they had more colours as well. Pink is obviously my favourite colour, so got this without even thinking twice. And lastly is this pink satin kind of material one. This is the only one that was more expensive than the other ones. I think they were £2 I believe, but this one was I think 50p or £1 more, maybe because of the material, because it is quite a nice finish. Again, this is one of the ones that I've worn a lot because it is different to the other ones and a really nice finish on there. And it's one of those colours as well that I've worn with those different colours. I don't match the headbands to my outfit purposely sometimes, so this is one of the nice colours that goes with a variety of things. Okay, so the next style of headbands they had are these ones which go all the way around your head, and it has a little like knot part here. It's elasticated so you can get it around a big old head of like mine. Okay, yeah, I did wonder how they tied it. Yeah, so it's just like a loop sort of knot around. As you can see, I've tried this before, I've got some makeup on it, so it's gonna have to go in the washing machine. after this, here's this one. Not gonna lie, I'm being lazy and not putting it under my head just to show you how it looks like this, but I'll try on the next one properly. This one again, you know I like yellow. I'll just like this pattern on here. Not sure how I felt about the white and black, but mum did say she liked this, so probably end up giving this one to mum. Okay, tried this one on properly. I do really like the pattern on here. The loop detail again. And lastly is these ones. I've already untied it, but basically it shows you how you can use it in different styles, as a headband, or a scarf, or as a like tie in your bag. So I've got two patterns, again yellow based and an orange one this time. It's a large square, so I folded it in half and then just rolling it out like this. And you could either, again, tie this one backwards like that, like the other headbands, or, which I'm probably going to do, is the other way around, up like this. Probably could have tied this a bit nicer, but you get the gist. And now for the yellow one. Okay, this one's material is different. This is like a silky, okay, it's polyester, but it feels a bit more on the silky side. Again, it's a large square. I'd fold in half and then wrap around. Could you see it? I see it as a neck scarf, I guess so. I don't really tie scarves on my handbags, but you could see how you could do that. And again, middle bow, or I'd probably end up doing side actually. Ooh, hair's a bit messed up. And there you have it. So yeah, as you can see, there's a large variety of styles. If you look in Primark, I'll put some clips here. They've got lots of colours and styles. So these are just the ones I picked, but you can find loads that will suit you as well. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe so you can see more, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.